show you how to edit the black curve in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and then from the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on it, and then we have to open up the editing menu. We can open it by tapping on the icon of it or pressing E on the keyboard. Now, in the editing menu, we have to find the light selection, and then in the light selection, we have to find the curves. This is the tone curve option, and here in the tone curve option, we have to tap on this gray circle. This is the black curve that we can edit. If we tap anywhere on this line, we can add points that we can manipulate. If you move the points up or down, then the tone of that particular color is going to change. That particular shade of gray is going to change. If you move the leftmost, then the darkest blacks in the image are going to become brighter, and if we move the rightmost dot, then the lightest lights are going to become darker or lighter in the image. This way we can create a deeper and more interesting image by moving these dots. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.